nation's father, true inspiration, preacher of truth, teacher of peace, weapon of non-violence, lover of motherland, brought us freedom, brought us fame, won the war of hatred with pure true affection. Evil bullet pierced his body, but not his immortal thoughts. Yes, I am talking about the great soul Mahatma Gandhi ji. The real name of Mahatma Gandhi was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was a great freedom fighter and led the India's independence movement through a non-violent protest. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, a small town in the state of Gujarat. Gandhiji's birthday, 2nd October, is celebrated in India as Gandhi Jayanti, a national holiday, and worldwide as the International Day of Non-Violence. His father's name was Karamchand Gandhi and his mother's name was Putli Bai Gandhi. Gandhiji's wife's name was Kasturba Gandhi and they had 4 sons. The ideals of Mahatma Gandhi were Ahimsa, which means non-violence, and Satya, which means truth. Throughout his life, he inspired people across the world and raised the voice against discrimination of caste, color, and religion. Gandhiji led nationwide campaigns for easing poverty, expanding women's rights, ending untouchability, and above all, for achieving Swaraj or self rule. He started movements like non cooperation, civil disobedience against the British. Gandhiji was not born with the title Mahatma. He was given this by the Nobel Prize winning Bengali poet Rabindranath Tagore. Gandhiji was against foreign goods. That is why he used to give priority to indigenous things in India for making us self-reliant, which means Atmanirbhar. He was a simple man with vast ideas, and he always gave a message to others that you must be the change you want to see in the world. The best thing about Gandhiji was that whatever was good in someone, he immediately adopted it and used to give up evil. Gandhiji's thoughts are an inspiring example for us to learn, to emerge stronger, and achieve success. Subscribe School Assignment Help for more such videos. Like, share, and comment. Thank you.